We're just gonna start a video.
Why are you changing your underwear again?
I'm not changing my underwear again. Okay, so we're on wide angle, but this is the setup. This is Luca's bus. This is a what? Tell them about the tent, Luca. So Westphalia Volkswagen only tent, dude. Check it out.
Wow.
It's got the stuff, man. Yeah, block the dealer plate out of there, but hooks on the exhaust. How was it building it?
Pretty good. Hard. Yeah.
Pretty good.
The frame has to have these pegs that point out one way, and then the tarp also has to be facing the same way.
Yep.
Yeah.
Here,
so
hold on.
we had it flipped the other way. We had to do a 180 of the frame.
Actually, wide angle's good for this.
Yeah. So this.
The GoPro's new adjuster. There's so much room in here.
Yeah, this was facing out, so we had to 180 the frame, and then also 180 the tarp. So it was kind of tricky, but we got it. It was fun. It was adventurous.
I missed it, but you guys had fun.
And then this rain guard slips right into the rail, so the rain stays out. Wow.
Rock and roll. I slept up there last night, so this folds over. It was awesome. I was in heaven. You know what? And then Luca, this one folds out here. He slept there on that bed. I'll show it later. But yeah, drove to Porca. I met the guys. So Porca. So we're gonna go for a little hike. Thanks to Junior. Junior, say hi.
Hello.
Hello. All right, let's go. And I can't forget that. So we're camping like this. This is the setup.
Get a nice little shot of it.
Adding one to it.
And one more.
There we go.
Yeah.
All right. Pan out. Here we go. All right, let's go. Wow, that's pretty cool though. 250D. I think that's like mid 90s, right? Early 90s.
Yeah, it's like 90s series.
It's pretty cool.
This is the Russian River, hey?
This is the rushing river.
Wow.
Get ready.
Get
ready.
If you guys weren't holding on to something,
look at that.
It. Oh, up. Wow, it's rushing. We just came here for this. What's in a rush for? We don't know. Just drop it. Go!
What's the rush? I don't get the rush.
What is the rush? I am what I am. I am who I am. What is the rush? That's cool. Hey, there's more though. There's more. The best part's over there. So follow the river down. Don't get caught up in it. There's a little walking bridge. You guys can see it. Gets better. That's what we're here for.
Laying on the rocks.
What? That's a person? Yeah, so this is good. Good campsite, good water. Good everything. Yeah, so let's go find that. It's better because you can actually walk on the rocks over there too. So, yeah, we'll go over there. Holy shit, cars are driving on this. It feels whack. Shaking. Oh, there's a parky. Payton, check it out. Look how excited he is.
I'm jealous.
We're so happy. Look how happy that guy is. He's vibing. Yep, I've been here before with my mom years ago, but I haven't been here in a long time. Pretty cool. Yeah. How's it feel, Junior?
A little cold.
A little cold. That's how the lake's gonna feel. He wants to go swimming. I don't think we're gonna go swimming. It's gonna be too cold, but we'll see. Wow, that's a lot of water. Look at this doing that. Rock and roll. Look at the flies there. So Junior, what do you think? What do you think?
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
We don't know what the rush is though. We don't know. That's a foot grabber. I'm New Boo Goofing. Underneath the highway bridge there. Highway's just right above us. We're on this side. It's just us maybe. It's good, man. it. Missed it. There's a Vanagon there.
Oh yeah, look.
No way. Yeah, she's like, no. Did she? She covered her face. Didn't want to be on the YouTube. Big celebrity. They're not as cool as us though.
Yeah, a lot of people can't handle the fame.
They can't handle it. Him? He can't handle it. Payton's a G. He's got my wood. Just so I can film this clip. I was holding it. You can tell the audience that.
Not holding it.
I was holding it. We gotta walk so far too with these. It is what it is. Okay, so we're gonna go in the water. Luca and I here. Payton and Junior, a bunch of pussycats. They don't want to do it.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, it's so cold. It's so cold. It's so cold.
It's actually nice though.
No, it's not.
Oh man.
It's like hypothermic water, I swear.
Just breathing.
Ice
Yeah,
water.
That was freezing, man. Yeah. That was cold water. But yeah, it gets. It's like at my lake in my cabin, Spruce Lake, what's close by. Water's kind of cold and warm. You can tell how out of shape I am because I'm just exhaling. Yeah, it's freezing. There's a couple warm spots and then it's cold again, so it's not even worth it. Keep swimming, but we did it. Those guys over there, losers.
Yeah, they took the L.
Hey Luca, not Luca. That's you. Hey, it's you. All right. Well, that's a wrap for that.
Once
Oh my god.
you were in there, it was actually nice.
I don't know, man. Now I'm refreshed.
Nice,
I'm refreshed now, but oh my gosh, that's brutal. All right, so day 2, it's just about done here. It's packing up. How you doing, buddy?
I'm good. How are you
Shine a
doing?
light in your eye. How you doing, buddy? Yeah, we're so little fire without disturbing Payton and having copyright claims in a second. As long as I keep talking loud. Yes, it's Eminem, but don't tell YouTube that. This is what we got going on. We're doing pretty good. All right, I'll show you guys that in the morning, but that's it for now. Good night. We're doing some damage. Boom. Morning. Morning. Next day, woke up. Feel like garbage. I'm just kidding. I feel okay. But I'll show you guys the sleeping setup. Here's my bed. I'm 6'1", and I'm actually able to spread out. I had a great sleep. So after Lucas slept, oh, we just got foggy. Oh god. Okay, here we go. Yep. So after Lucas slept, total animal, and yeah, we just got all our stuff here in the bus. That's a cooler with the Westphalia tent. Payton here also had the. Still waking up. I'm disturbing him, but he had the greatest time sitting there. And then Junior was right there, so I'm just getting up now. I spent like 30 minutes on my phone. You're living it. Yeah. Thought I'd show you guys a sleeping setup. Go walk up the road to the shower station and try and wake up more. Making some brekkie. You're wasting liquid gold.
Oh shit.
Jeez.
Whoa.
Yeah. Lucas throwing the bacon on. What are you doing? The final damage. We had to go. Are we still going? Oh yeah. Here, wait. Here. Alright.
There's another.
Alright. You guys are putting this one on too. I gotta put these away. That's why I'm showing you guys. Oh god. There we go. No scratch surfaces. We're all nicely put down.
Yeah, I like that.
That's good. That's good. As you can see, we went 3 wide. Oh, Billy. That's some good stuff. Yeah, I'll have to start wrapping up stuff soon, but... The bacon?
Yeah, look. This is
I like people want to see the bacon. Right in the flame. Yeah, tasty, tasty. Wood sucks. It took us like, how long did it take us to make the fire? Couple hours, yeah. Couple hours. No more beer on there. Just like that, we're all wrapped up. Got our garbage put away pretty much. Oh yeah, they had a tire blowout on the way here, so that's the spare, full-size spare from the front. Their old one. Good thing Luca's got tires on order. Yeah, it's been 3 weeks, they're still coming, but they got the other one on. Payton's technician, it's all good. Fast tire install, but yeah, it's a 78 Westphalia. I didn't mention that. Really clean bus. And yeah, we're all put away now. Just purring. Just purring. Pretty stoked. Muskie the muskie.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We're in the bus, driving away. I'm having a blast. Luca let me drive it. This is good. Anyways, living it up. I don't know what to say other than this is it. I don't know if you guys can see. No, you can't see, but 996 back there.
We got roll show on there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, here, take camera.
Brent and
That's just it. Yeah, this is good. Look at me, dude. I feel I'm at home here. Perfect. I'm not gonna bomb it, fucking, because we have all this shit in here. But Luca wants me to rip it. Oh, we got a truck behind us that's doing. Okay, now we have to. Oh no, I'm scared. I'm just scared about the stuff, not the van. The bus can do it. It's a car, but this road is Mexico. We're just bombing around here, but oh, this is awesome. Oh. This is sweet. I don't know how you feel, but this is sweet, dude. Driver's perspective, yeah. We're just going in the video. Screw it. Brakes are getting a little hot there. Yeah. Oh my god. The roll, dude. The tire roll. You can feel it there. That's 80. That's 80. I'm slowing down. Yeah. A little bit of brakes. We lost the truck. And we're barely going. Just kind of chilling in third gear though. This is good. I don't really want to beat on these tires because you guys already had one fucking blow up.
yeah.
But
Especially with all the weight.
I'm gonna stay in third.
Oh, you shut off?
Second gear's gonna rev out. No, we'll stay in third. This is good though. This is fun. Imagine if you had nothing in here and the tires were like trustable. You'd be just. This is a driver's car, man. Oh, big hump. This is gonna feel freaky. The most is teeter tottering. It's so funny. All right. Recommended 40K for hazardous conditions. We're doing 50. Oh god, I actually felt a little. Hey, look where we're going. We're good. No squeaks yet from the tires. No squeaks yet. It's good. It's these like little lift offs. Lifts on the corners, you know, like that. That's where it's like, ooh, it's freaky. Is that an RX-7, dude? Little RX-7 FC. Look at that. What a classic. Classic for the guy. So nobody even cares. You could speed in this thing, dude, and nobody would complain. They'd be like, oh, it's just a bus. You know, he can't be going that fast. It's a brick of soap just going like 100 past you in the 50. This is pretty sweet though. Like, we're making good time. Oh shit. Dude, the steering feels good, but it's a little scary because you feel stuff you don't want to feel. Alright, here we go. It's like a carousel. Oh. Dude, was that tire? Was that a tire?
That was a tire
That was a tire trip. That was a fucking tire trip. No way. We're only going like 55, dude. That's crazy, dude.
Look at that bastard.
Watch your hands.
That guy's crazy. That guy's wild.
Oh, fuck.
Look at these guys.
Yeah.
You guys having fun?
Look at these buffoons. Get these lily pads out of here, man.
We're flying!
first time driving a bus. Yeah, he's happy. It's pretty cool. Good idea. I'm going this way.
This way, I'm going back to my place.
Jesus.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of a wallow in it, but it's based on the suspension.
I think it's based on bus suspension on how you're like such a high center of gravity.
Yeah, but that's like handles nicely.
Yeah, it's funny where it gets like teeter totter going on sometimes. But like a Volkswagen, the handle's pretty good.
I'm impressed that you enjoyed your time camping and you had fun in it.
I did. I'm not one to camp in a tent, but well, I have one month twice, but this is better.
Yeah, there's a reason why you work hard all year round, so you don't have to pretend you're homeless.
Yes, that's true. I told that to them. They were impressed. They're like, "Well, that sounds kind of mean." I was like, "Well, I mean, when you put thousands of dollars into a cabin, I guess it does. Like, it makes sense." They understood that. Anyways, yep, back we go. Got me some German gummies in a German vehicle. This is good. Payton Jr. in the 911. I let them take it, and they're gone. They didn't wait for us at all. Don't know why. I guess they just had to let her eat. They had to let her eat, so they're gone. Car might have a flashing 1-star level heat level right now. They probably shouldn't have left us because I had the registration, but otherwise they'll be okay. They'll be fine.
Wait for it.
Oh my god, we're flying.